Have you been wondering how Fiverr rolls out payment for voiceover gigs? Well, apparently you are not the only one. A few of you have been asking me on the comments section, they pay you the moment you are booked, right? And so I thought to myself, is it time to go through another top 5 questions from the comments section? Well, I think it is, but this time let's make it a Fiverr edition. So if you're ready, let's get started. Hey, what's happening? Welcome back to Speak Easy. This is the place where we can talk about your voiceover career, especially if you're just starting out. And if this is the first time we're meeting, hi! My name is Anna. I'm a freelance voiceover talent, and my goal for this channel is to help as many of you guys out by sharing some tips and tricks that I swear by. And I really think I'm most helpful to you guys when I answer your questions down at the comments section. And that is why I'm back with top 5 questions from the comments section, the Fiverr edition. Now, most of these questions I found from my video, How to Make Money on Fiverr, which I will link up here so you can go ahead and watch that if you haven't yet. And I have 5 questions right now. Let's start with question number 5. I do have my computer over here so I can read the actual questions. So this is coming from Sonia, and she asks, how many samples of our voice are required? What kind of sample should we make? And can we add background music? First of all, hi Sonia. Thank you so much for such a great question. I think you are allowed to upload 8 voice samples on your demo reel on Fiverr. Now, please, you do not have to upload just anything just to fill up those 8 slots, okay? What you want to do is really listen to your voice samples and see if it's a good, excellent recording. And if you only have 4 or 3 of those, only upload those 3 up. Please do not feel compelled or pressured to fill out those 8 slots if you do not have 8 excellently recorded samples. Otherwise, it can work against you. Are we clear on that? Okay. And another question you asked here, Sonia, is what type of samples should you post? Well, definitely what you're good at. So if you know your niche, go ahead and focus on that. So is it narration? Is it audiobooks? Is it corporate? If you need further information on your niche, I have a video on that and I will link it up here, and it will also be on the description box. And I do suggest that you watch that so you can find out what niche you fit in. And finally, the last question from Sonia is, can we add music? Well, you really can, but personally, you don't have to. You don't want anything to be competing with your voice, and at the same time, you will have to maybe deal with copyright infringement unless you can be sure that it's royalty-free and it does not compete with your voice, but it enhances it. Well, then go for it. But I feel it's unnecessary for me. All right, Sonia, but those are excellent questions, and I thank you for them. But right now, it's time to go to question number 4. Your video gave me the courage to start my own Fiverr gig. Oh, wow. Thank you for letting me know. I feel really, really good when I hear comments like that. But I want to know, what should I write to fill in search tags? Okay, search tags are really important on Fiverr because that is how you will get found on the platform. Now, I think you can only upload 5 keywords, so make sure you use them wisely. These are my keywords on here. I will show you on the screen. So for example, I'm a female voiceover talent. I'm a neutral English accent female over. I'm a Tagalog female voiceover, and I'm a corporate female voiceover talent as well. And also I'm a commercial ad female voiceover talent. Now, why are keywords so important? Because let's say again, I'm the client, right? And I type in on the Fiverr's platform on their search tabs, like female voiceover, or neutral accent voiceover, or corporate voiceover. That is what I will type on the search tab of Fiverr if I was the client. And so what Fiverr does, it will pull out all the videos containing these keywords and present it to that client. So it will give you that chance, opportunity to be presented, to be suggested to your potential clients. So make sure you make use of your 5 keywords. And we are down to our last 3 questions. But before that, if you are finding value in this video, do give me a thumbs up right now. Also, hit that notification bell. This is just so you know if I have new videos out. So let's get down to question number 3. Question number 3. Hello. Hi. I just want to know, is your demo reel script written by you? I'm still in the process of creating my demo reel. Well, first of all, good luck on your demo reel. And to answer your question, no, I didn't write any of the scripts that are on my demo reel right now because those are actual ads. So the client sent me the script, but see, if you want to, you can write your own script if that is what you want. But I always say, work smarter, not harder. And what you can do is actually search on the net for some sample scripts. There are a lot. And what I can do for you is link some on the description box. And what you want to do is choose scripts that are for radio, because this will mean it's just your voice, because it is for a demo reel for your voice. And you don't have to do a lot of characters. Just one character will be enough. So radio scripts will be good. And another thing you can do is, if there's an existing commercial that you feel your voice will really fit well in, is you can just transcribe the script from that commercial and just edit out the product name so you don't get any copyright infringement. And then you might want to say at the end of your demo reel that that is not your original script and that you're only using it for demo purposes. So that's how you can cover yourself too. And I hope that answered your question, because we are going down to question number 2. Hello. Hi, you guys are so nice. Logistics questions. How do I deliver the product to the buyer? Is it as simple as uploading the finished file to Fiverr? Thanks. That's coming from Ken. Actually, Ken, I just came out with a video which will show you how I deliver an actual order from start to finish. So I'm going to link it up here and also put it down at the description box so you can watch it. And that I find is really, really helpful, because a lot of people have been asking that question. So go there, but I will answer your question right here and now. So yes, the platform Fiverr makes it so easy for us by allowing us to upload our finished file where we have our conversations with our clients. So it's there. I'm going to put it up here on the screen, a little screen recording that I had from my previous video so that you can imagine it. It's really easy what they did for us. Good luck, and I hope you will be delivering some of your Fiverr gigs soon. All right, Ken. So here we are down to the last question on the top 5 question from the comments section. And I would like to ask you to hit that like button if you are getting value from this video. And I really do appreciate your support. And another way you can help me is by not skipping any of the ads on this video and my other videos. And I thank you for that in advance. All right, here we go with question number 1. They pay the moment they book you, right? Well, in an ideal world, they will pay you right away, but that doesn't happen. Not even outside of Fiverr or outside of Voice 123. Even when we would go to the studios, we have direct clients, we have agencies hiring us for voiceover projects. It rarely ever happens that they pay you right away. There is a window for that because they need their checks cleared. They need to submit paperwork. So it doesn't happen. It very rarely happens that a client or an agency will pay you right away. And that's how it is for Fiverr too. After you deliver your project, your finished file to your client, Fiverr will give them 3 days to get back to you if they have any revisions that they need, and then you will need to work on that before you get paid. But for example, you don't hear from them after 3 days, then Fiverr will automatically pay you. That's right, you heard me right. Fiverr will be the one to pay you because the client will pay Fiverr. And that is why you will only get 80% of the total payment. Say, for example, you were paid $10, you will only get $8 because Fiverr will get $2. And another thing is you cannot withdraw your money right away. There is a 14-day window that you will have to wait for your payment to clear. Now, after that, you can go ahead and withdraw. But here is a pro tip for you. Do not keep withdrawing your payment every time you finish a project on Fiverr, especially if you're only earning $10, $15 a pop. Wait, okay? Just hold out. Well, just wait for it to pile up into a substantial amount so you'll actually feel that you have earned something on Fiverr. Otherwise, $10 will just slip out of your hands in no time and you don't have anything to show for it. But if you wait enough, then you'll be able to buy something more substantial. And of course, that will also help you save on withdrawal fees, because every time you withdraw from Fiverr, there is a certain amount of a fee that they ask from you. I think it's $1. Not sure. I can get back to you on that one. But that is my pro tip from me to you. And there you have it. Top 5 questions from the comment sections, the Fiverr edition. And if you have anything else that you want me to clarify, let's get talking on the comment section down below. And also, if there's anything else that you want me to talk about, any specific topic, I would love to hear them. So type it down at the comment section down below and I'll answer down there as well. But maybe it'll make it to the next top 5 questions on the comments section. And also, if you have any tips and tricks to share about Fiverr as well, go ahead and share it with us, because this is a community and we are here to help each other out. And also, if you're looking for more voiceover tips and tricks, and if you're looking to maybe just level up your English communication skills, well then watch these videos on your screen. And with that, I wish you all a fantastic day and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers!